Hey, what's going on, guys? House from the Smart City Revolution here. I finished my book, The Revenue Arts, The Modern Approach to Business. And when I wrote this book, what I kept in mind is all the mistakes that new startup owners tend to make. And after reading over 100 business books, marketing, sales, startup growth books, the one thing that I notice a lot of the times is they don't ever mention what those mistakes are and how costly they could be. They talk about the what, but not the why, the details underneath. And so when I wrote the book, I kept in mind of all the different learning styles out there because I know not everybody just learns from reading text. So if you're a visual or an auditory learner, you'll find value in this as well. And again, these are tactics that I personally use today that still work in 2020, that aren't outdated. It's the most up-to-date information you have. So it truly is a modern approach to your business. Also threw in a little bonus in there at the end. It's 116 of my own personal favorite content marketing, link building, and digital PR tactics that you can use today. So there's gonna be something actionable and valuable for you in there. But the reason that you should really want to read this book, especially if you're a startup owner or a want-to-be startup owner and see that in your near future, is the art of the hunt, prospecting, lead generation. That is the hardest skill to develop. CEOs, top sales executives still struggle with generating leads. So it doesn't matter how good of a closer you are. If you can't bring in leads and you can't find high quality prospects, you don't have anybody to sell to. And that's bad for the business. So if you're an entrepreneur or a startup founder, do yourself a favor and read this book. I guarantee that you will save a lot of money and save a lot of heartache and a lot of failure and mistakes that are unnecessary to make. Why even make them? 12 years condensed so that you can just keep things humming, put in the work, and see the success that you envision for the company. And if you look at the numbers, they are not in your favor. Most businesses fail. So anything you can do to skew those probabilities of winning in your favor, you should take a look at very carefully. That's what this book does, is it gives you the best chance to win and on a shoestring budget as well. It's built with a startup founder and an entrepreneur's mindset, not a salesperson's. If you're tired of vague advice in books that you can find on articles and it doesn't give you anything actionable or give you any sort of example to paint the picture of how it's going to help you, then this book is for you. The Smart City approach will help you. So over that length of the series, Volume 1 focuses just on the skeleton, the fundamentals that you need to get off the ground. And then you add the meat to that skeleton over time as you see the results in that proof of concept. So to give you a little sneak peek of the guide, I'm going to give you 7 of my favorite content marketing tactics and how you can apply them today. That'll drop on Monday.